Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today we're making a German vacation, which is a creation of the beverage director of Amor y Amargo. Amor y Amargo is a world famous cocktail bar over in New York. They've been in the top 50 bars. I think they actually won best bar in the world at some stage. They concentrated their menu on vermouth and bitter cocktails, or amaris. And today I'm making one of their cocktails, and it's an amalgamation. It's like a split base between Jägermeister, so it's going to have a lot of herbal notes to it, and a rum, specifically a Nicaraguan rum, Flor de Caña 7 year. I was about to say 4, but it's got a touch of ginger liqueur as well, so it should add a little bit of spice. So these flavors are going to work well. A little touch of citrus and some Orgeat, so like an almond syrup. So let's get started. So 30 ml of Jägermeister. Add that straight into the cocktail shaker, and then follow it up with your choice of aged rum. Thank you, Scott, for the Flor de Caña. As I said before, 7 year. And then follow that up with Domaine de Canton ginger liqueur. Thanks to Manav and Heather for this bottle. So 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Keep going for the lids on upside down. And next we have Orgeat. I don't know how prevalent this Crawley syrups are. They do a huge range of syrups, but they're Sydney based. So not sure if anyone in America or other countries are familiar with this particular Orgeat or syrups, then let me know. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. And then likewise with the fresh lemon juice. And add that straight in. Add plenty of ice and give it a shake. This one is served over pebble ice, so 3/4 fill the glass. I mentioned this pebble ice in the last video. If you want those pebble ice trays, they're really cheap. I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon. So strain over the top. And then top with more ice. And then that's going to be finished with 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Gives a nice color and should add some floral and anise notes to the drink. Nice and simple garnish, just a lime wedge. There you have a German vacation. It's actually really quite rich. There's a lot going on there. That is a sweeter style rum. And then even though you've got the spice from the ginger liqueur, it is a liqueur, so it's got added sugar and the Orgeat, however you bloody pronounce it. Yeah, it is rich. It's quite viscous, but it's got, the Jagermeister doesn't take over, but it's got a lot of complexity to it. So herbal notes and spices. This is pretty tasty. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. In the kitchen series. And then follow that up with, pretty sure, cool. And then follow that up with Domaine, and then follow that up with Domaine
Turn it towards this way.
Hey?
Turn it towards the other way.